What's up guys, it's me, Grip and Rip. Welcome back to another video. The first proper video back on the channel. Hope you enjoyed my little reintroduction to YouTube in the last one. Just on my way to meet up with an Instagram account called Cars Harley. He's going to record a little flyby for me, which I'll stick in this video once I've done it. Go and drop him a follow on Instagram. If you like your supercars, your muscle cars, your racer mobiles, he's definitely an Instagram account that you want to follow. Go and follow me on Instagram, that'll be in the description as well. Because, well, why would you not? And that's what you get when you don't use your indicator. People honk at you. What? Indicator. What the fuck? Yeah, I know I said indicator, but you know what I meant. Fucking hell, mate. Thought he was gonna go then. I was like, no! Oh, they love each other. So that's all it takes. A few happy people, and everything's okay again in my brain. Oh, well, I'm filtering this bit. Fucking creeper. Dude, I think this BMW driver's a bit pissed off that I filtered in front of him. That's a shed on wheels, or is it a piano? It's a piano. My guy's got a piano on wheels. Never have I ever seen a guy who looks happier than him. That was so cool. What a nice guy. Really didn't have to let me go out there, but I guess the right of way does not apply to me. What's in the box? He's got a box. My money's on 300 tampons for his wife, and he's got Tampax. Both of you are fucking blind. There's me talking to myself about a box of tampons and a crate of Tampax. And they're not one, but two blind idiots. And I get angry at this stuff now. Like, I know I used to, but I really get angry at it now because of my accident. So, if you pull out on me and I've got the opportunity to, I will probably take your mirror. So guys, like I was saying in my last video, I'm going to be doing a lot more in the way of customizations to Sapphire. I mentioned a tinted windscreen and I said that I'd already got a tank pad. I'm just going to show it to you because I've got it on now. And there she is. She's not perfect. It's my first attempt at putting a tank pad on. It's not quite straight, but it's not really noticeable. Bloody fucking hell. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. That's definitely not straight. But oh well, the only thing that hits that is my balls, so I don't care. you don't cut corners. I'm gonna go find the pot of gold. Apparently it's at Tesco, so that's where we're gonna go. That's such a nice rainbow. It's so full and well made. Good job, God. That was such a red light. Idiot, man. These idiot drivers everywhere. That was close. Which lane? Pick one. You were in the wrong one. You lose. Oh no. He's got no idea where he's going. I probably don't have much recording time left on my GoPro, so I'm going to cut it here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash a like and subscribe with that big fat bell end turned on, so you never miss an upload. I'm going to get an upload schedule sorted out for the channel, by the way. Why am I in 5th and doing 28? So, yeah, hit like, subscribe, flick that bell end, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.